Hey guys, welcome back to PED 110. This week we're continuing our work with the health-related fitness, and we're starting the second area of improving muscular strength and endurance. This is actually my favorite area. I'll be honest, I can't stand cardio. I don't like running and jogging. That's not my thing. I do it out of necessity, and I realize the importance of it, but I'm more into weightlifting, and you'll see once you get into the chapter that people lift weights for different reasons. Some people want to lift to get big and strong, and then some of us just lift to add tone and sculpt our body, so to speak. And so that's more of what I'm into these days. Lifting lightweight at high reps, just to get some tone and definition in my muscles. And so we see here muscular strength and endurance, actually two different things. Endurance, of course, is how long you can do something. Muscular strength would be how much power or force can you exert with one repetition for the most part, is how we define that. So we've got a checklist, a video, the PowerPoint, the quiz, the labs, and the physical activity monitoring report. Continue doing a great job with your reports. Again, if you haven't heard from me, that means that you're right on par with what I'm expecting with the reports. I do want to touch base with the labs very quickly. This week you've got two labs due under the Chapter 4 fitness test, and really it's just listed as one, but you have two components, I should say. You've got the push-up and curl-up test. They don't require any equipment, so it's something you can just do right in your living room. And the same thing with the core strength and stability, that's just a plank. And so once you click into the lab, it gives actually some videos on how you perform the test and gives a pretty detailed explanation. And remember, these labs, you're not graded on right or wrong. They're really just for you to assess where you are in that particular area and then develop a plan for improvement. All right, as I wrap up here, guys, y'all have been one of my best groups that I've had at Nash. So keep on doing great work. I'm always here if you have any questions or just need a little support. All right, have a great week.